And now I'm back. This time we will be reacting to Glennis Grace singing Bruno Mars Versace on the floor. And I just want to congratulate Bruno Mars for gaining a lot of awards last Grammys. Without any further ado, let's go and watch the video.
Love Bruno Mars.
Just the way it is, yeah.
And I love this song, Versace on the floor.
Oh yeah, here we go.
Let's take our time tonight, boy. Above us all the stars are watching. There's no place I'd rather be in this world. Your eyes are where I'm lost in. Underneath the chandelier, we're dancing all alone. There's no reason to hide what we're feeling inside right now. So baby, let's just turn down the lights and close the door. Oh, I love that Jack, but you won't need it anymore. No, you won't need it no more. Let's just kiss till we're naked, baby. Versace on the floor. Oh, take it off for me, for me, for me, for me now, boy. Versace on the floor. It's warming up, can you feel it? It's warming up, can you feel it? It's warming up, can you feel it, baby? It's warming up. Feels like you're ready for more, more, more. Let's just kiss till we're naked. Oh, Versace on the floor. Hey, baby, take it off for me, for me, for me, for me now, boy. Versace on the floor. Oh, take it off for me, for me.
Gladys Grace sang Versace on the Floor, and it's my first time to hear the song sang by a girl, a woman, and her rendition is quite good. Yes, I really don't know, but I think the band mess up or the background singer mess up. I really don't know, but the totality of the performance is very good. I can hear some Whitney Houston thing in her song, but the rendition is quite, yeah, good. First part of the song, she was sitting rather, and I think it's so hard for her to hit the note, so she decided to stand up and hit the higher notes, and very good. Nice. And if you have any more Gladys Grace videos you want me to react, please drop the comments down below. And if you like this video, please click the like button